Are you looking to add WhatsApp chat widget on your website? Then you are on the right video. So in this video we will learn how to add a custom WordPress chat widget on your WordPress or non-WordPress website. So hey guys, my name is Raman and welcome to Kwebby digital channel, and in this video we are going to learn how to add WordPress or non-WordPress website using a plugin or using simple code which you can download in the description box. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit that red button to subscribe to our channel. It will boost our morale to post more and more videos like this, also to learn much more about digital marketing as whole. So let's get started. So in the first method we will be using a custom code which is I have downloaded from the CodePen. So CodePen is an open source website where you can search for the code, and if you know a little bit of the coding then you can find various code from there. Just like that, I have downloaded this WhatsApp chat box with pure HTML, CSS and JS by Ajay. So do follow it, do download it. I will provide the link in the description box. But I have distributed it into three parts. First is the chat.css, the CSS part of this particular widget, and the HTML part of the widget, and the chat.js part of the widget. Idea is to just put it in a different file rather than just plain HTML code like this. So you can also add that just copy pasting into your WordPress or non-WordPress website, which we will do in the following minutes. So what does it look like? If you just open chat.html, if you want to practice it with me, just download this particular files in the description box, which will redirect to our blog where you can easily download it. So what you need is, if you have a little bit knowledge of Visual Code or any code editor you have in your system, then you can just use it to open with the live server. So if you open the live server as we have opened it, you have something like this. If you just mouse over it, it will open need help. We are expert in web design and technical SEO. So the coder have used the SVG file to customize this particular design. As you can see the various behavior on it, and if we click on it, it will open our WhatsApp chat, which will be covered in the upcoming minutes. So here you can easily edit this particular message also, which we will also cover that. And if someone just write here, hi, I need help, so this will be the input box, and if someone click there, then it will redirect to the WordPress API. If we see the code, if we see the chat.js code, it is using the standard API of WhatsApp, and here's the phone number you need to enter. So we will cover that also in the upcoming minutes. So let's just customize that code. So here what you need to do is go to the chat.js file and just enter your phone number here with your country code. So I will add the country code of mine, and here is my business phone number. There you go. You just don't need to edit anything in the chat.js. So that's it. And if you want to edit a code or edit any message like we have already entered here, like need help, we are expert in web design or technical SEO, then you can just easily edit that also. And need help, you can easily edit these text easily. So don't change anything if you don't know how to use these placeholders, etc., or HTML code, any HTML code here. So SVG, we are is this using the SVG file to customize the code itself. So here is the chat.js we have already linked, and here's the style CSS. So in the style CSS you don't need to add or edit anything. If you are familiar with the CSS framework, how to edit that, then you can easily just do the same. So we will be using the different parts, how you can actually link with the different parts on your WordPress or even on your standard non-WordPress website. So the procedure is actually the same. You need to attach your CSS in the head, and you need to attach your JS file in closing or before closing tag of body here, as you can see. So we will be using this to add it on your WordPress website. So let's go to our WordPress website. So here is a development blog here. As we can see, you can use two methods here. You can use a plugin called simple custom CSS and JS. What it does is it will add your custom CSS to JS, and it will automatically add it to your WordPress theme or the current WordPress theme. So you can use this particular method, or you can just add your own code to it using your themes CSS and JS. So how to add that? First let's just go to this particular plugin, which is simple CSS and JS. So we just need to update that if you haven't already, and afterwards go to the custom CSS and JS, add custom CSS here. And to add that custom CSS, go to chat.css, copy everything from here and add that here. So it gives you all the commented, which will tell you how to add and delete or something like that. Just click on publish. There you go. So you have already added this, and to check if it's working, so yes, it is working right here. You can easily add this as an internal, like I will be adding chat, just update it. And you can also update the file to it. Just click on OK, just update it. And if you know a little bit about how to add custom code to your themes, CSS and JS file, then you should go for that also. But I'm using this particular plugin because it gives me power to add different styling or different tools or integration of different widgets to my website. So that's about it. So I don't need to add different plugins out there which will breach our security issues. So that's how you can easily add that. So here's the chat.js CSS already added, available in sim. Okay, so now we need to add a custom JS file, and I will just add the chat.js here and copy that chat.js code to this particular section and just click on publish. And you can also just select chat.js, click on update. So here in the right part, as you can see, linking type is internal. We are on the page. You can add it in the header, but I suggest you to in the footer because of obviously core web vital. So we will cover that in the upcoming days. So here is the where in the site, in the front end, in the admin. Obviously in the front end we need it, and click on the update. And if we just go to our website, go to the view page source and just go for the chat. Now as you can see, these are already visible to the user end. So you don't want to do this. Why? Because it will add more code to text ratio, which is I think a vital part of your SEO, technical SEO aspect. So you should not add it as an internal thing. That's why I've deliberately selected this internal. You should not do that because it will add more code to your HTML page and it will hamper your technical SEO part. And because if you just see webby.co and go to webby code to text ratio, just search for it and just open the first link. And if we just paste our link here, click on submit, as you can see the code to text ratio 1.87, which is I think very low to actually rank our website. So Google see it as a bunch of HTML elements, so it can hamper your website. It can hamper your website SEO. So you should not do that or add that as an internal file. So you should add it as an external file. Just click on update and also click on the custom code. Here is the chat.css, added that, and clicking on add external file. So if you have a cache plugin installed, just clear your cache such that it will reflect our changes. Just reload it and view page source again. And if you search for the code, as you can see, here is the custom code. Search for it. Is the CSS file which is already added here. And if we go down to our footer, just before the footer, here is our code. Yeah, here is our code of our JavaScript. And now we need to add HTML to our pages. And now it depends where to add your HTML, because if you want to add it on your footer or a specific page, then you should go for that page ID and just add it there. But if you want it to your entire website, like if you have a support widget or something like that, and if you want to add it to your entire website, then you can just copy this particular code. Don't copy it whole, just between the body to the closing body tag. Just copy that, not even that, just copy this div section of chat box. Just copy this, go to your dashboard and go to the appearance. You can also add a custom HTML to this particular plugin, but I will suggest you to go to the appearance, theme file editor, and after theme file editor, go to the footer.php or search for the footer file. Here is the footer.php just before the closing body tag, and here you can add your code. Just click on update file. And now let's see if it does work or not. Yes, it does work. But if you want to add everything to it, you can just select all the code here, right here. Just paste that where we have pasted this particular code. Just paste this, right? Click on update file and just reload it. You will see it working. And afterwards, what you need is you need to just enter, or even if someone enters hello, I need help or something like that. So it will open like this. So number is this, so you should add it to your number. So where's that number? So here's the number. You need to enter a number 836. Here's my business number. Just update that. Let me just refresh it. Do the step again. Hi, I need help. If someone click on that, it says I need help. If you continue to chat and use WhatsApp web or any application it may have, so it will redirect you on their WhatsApp widget. It will land here. As you can see, it will use this particular keyword, and if just send it, So that's how you can easily add using a custom code which we have applied here. So I suggest you to use this method of adding custom CSS/JS, and even if you don't want to use this particular plugin, then you can add your JS and CSS code separately to your root folder and link that the way I have linked this. Just add that particular CSS file in the header section and in the chat.js just before the ending body tag or closing body tag. So that's how you can actually add it to your website or WordPress website without any plugin with such code. And now moving on to the second part is to add with the help of a plugin. So let me just delete this, click update and delete everything from here, apply that. Okay, so now to add any plugin, so I suggest you to search for a plugin, go to the add new, search for WhatsApp. So there's actually a ton of plugins available there, and to select which is suitable for you, you should check out the demo of every plugin. So suppose you want to explore this particular plugin, just click on it, it will open a pop-up, and here is the link, and or you can search for the demo link. Just click on the demo link, it will open demo pages with this particular widget. As you can see, there is this widget, so it looks actually very neat. And if you click on there, it will open the WhatsApp widget like that. There's actually customization available also, so if it does suit to you, then you can just add it. And if you want to see another, just like click to chat or something like that, click on the demo, just look for the demo links, you will find demos here. As you can see, you can add it on the left side, you can add it on the left bottom, mouse over it, it will open like this, and you can add this. So there are different customizations available here, right? So I think the first one looks good. Just click on install now, so it will start installing. Click on activate. So there's the social chat plugin, and go to the settings, and here you will give the demo links and how your widget will look, and go to the button setting, and here the layout where you want, like a button or a bubble. I want it as a bubble. And box, you can also disable contact box or enable contact box, and to that you need to add a contact tab. Just go to the contact tab, so I will be disabling it for now. So the round border should be rounded, yes. The position is bottom left. Here you can add any position like middle left or something like that. I will be adding at the bottom right. So you can add your own icon, right? But it already have an icon there. So the text message you can already add, and here's the number which I want to be mine. Just like that, you can add your own message here. Hi, I'm testing this plugin or something like that, or you can add your own, or you can add variables like a site title, site URLs or something like that. Like if it's something, if a user coming from a different post, it's coming from a post where it is browsing a post like about this is another great post, and if they want to see this, they can just select, you can select this particular title to this particular plugin. Like hello, I'm just adding this plugin. So to add a URL to it, you can just add a site title to it or current title. So I will be adding a current title to it. So if we just save on it and reload that, so it will open that with the current title already. So it will help you to automatically appear or learn where your users are coming from, which page. So that's about it. So now moving forward to the display and shown on always device, you can include and exclude section of your website like a home, blog or something like that. And there's a scheme, which is the font family you can choose, and there's a premium section also, which I don't think be needing right now. So that's about it. That's how you can actually add it using your WhatsApp widget using a plugin called WordPress plugin called Social Chat or Click to Chat. So if you have learned something from this video, click the like button, and if you want to learn much more about digital marketing, WordPress or customization or something like that, then you should subscribe to this channel, because we are covering so much topics in the near future. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.